Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're doing a warm smoky brown eye. It's just the eyeshadow. So if you want to know how to achieve this look, then just keep on watching. So we started off with our base already, and we're going to use the palette by James Charles. We're going to start with our eyes using a blending brush. And we're going to pick up the shade Code James and place that in our higher than our crease. We're just gonna be blending and blending and blending.
And Tania got something in her eye.
Just make sure to pack on the color until you get it as pigmented as you want it to be. Even if you feel like you've done enough blending, keep on blending, because you don't.
Because you don't?
Because it's not blended. Yeah, this is retorted.
Just keep going. Oh. There goes Tania with her eye again.
You just keep on blending and blending. No harsh lines.
What are you laughing at?
Okay, now we're going to use the shade 10% off, and we're going to put it in our actual crease, which will be lower than where we placed Code James. Now this is going to create more dimension, and it's going to help set the stage for the darkest shade we're going to be putting on next.
Do y'all see that highlight?
Which the next color we're picking up is called No Beans. And we're going to pack this all over the lid till it is very, very pigmented. As you see, we're going to be putting a lot of it because we need to make sure that it is very noticeable.
Noticeable?
I was going to say known.
My highlight. Do you see it?
No.
You a
Do you
lie.
see my highlight?
A little. Yeah, exactly.
Because I only put a little bit of highlight on. I didn't feel like doing all that.
Shocker.
Okay, so now we're going to be mixing
all three.
Code James and 10% off, and we're going to be blending out the darkest shade No Beans with it, with those other two shades, to make sure that everything is nice and blended and there are no harsh lines. This is a smoky eye. It needs to go into a gradient, not 3 separate colors.
Why do I feel like you're trying to throw shade at me?
No, not you. Other people. You can even do this look with just 2 shades. You can just use like a dark color and blend it in with a slightly lighter color. Now we're just gonna do, whoa. Oh. And now we're just gonna repeat what we did to the top. Well, we're gonna we're gonna repeat what we did at the top on the bottom, starting with the darkest shade closest to the waterline, and then blending that out with the other 2 shades.
Look at the faces I make.
I'm making the same faces, but I just got a palette in front of me so that you don't see it as
And we
much.
both look like we got a black eye.
Now I'm just gonna be showing you me putting some highlight in my inner corner.
It was from the James Charles palette too.
Yeah, but I don't remember the shade name.
It's the shimmery one.
1, 2, 3. So this is the final look. As you guys saw, it was very easy to do. If you liked it, If you like the video, enjoyed the video, please make sure to like and comment. Please subscribe if you like our content. Turn on your
post notification.
Bye.